Folks, this is Mentor Shelly, wanting to make sure that you become a better version of yourself professionally. You know, I was inspired by a very interesting thought. Our biggest lessons are wrapped up. Our biggest, most rewarding lessons is wrapped up in difficulty, circumstances, and sometimes turmoil. I'll put it to you this way. From a personal standpoint, I learned, of course, you know, you guys, I'm driving on the road, so my eyes are on the road primarily, but I learned how to listen to both sides of a story, how to be understanding to both sides of a story through one of the most difficult times of my life, when my parents were going through their breakdown of their relationship, which ultimately ended in divorce when I was a teenager. I had no idea that was the gift that was wrapped up in that difficulty, because it was hard to go through that as a teenager. There were things that I was exposed to that I wasn't supposed to be, looking back at it now. However, in that whole process, I learned to look at every situation as, well, what's the other side, or what's missing from this, what's the other perspective, that kind of thing. That way I look at a situation from a broad picture, not just from one side. I know even in law enforcement investigations, they always look at, number one, the story that somebody is telling, and then the person telling the story. So I want you guys to be aware that in every situation, even when you're looking for a job, or you're looking to make a career change, some of the difficulties you're experiencing now is, you know, you have some rewarding lessons that are wrapped up in it. You don't see that right now, but that's what's happening. So I want you guys to be ready. And if you're still having difficulty, you're not sure what direction you want to take with your new career, or you're not sure how to get it cultivated, definitely check out my free resource at mentorshelly.com/DCG, which is a dream career guide. And of course, if you're looking to truly take some action on, you know, on your next career venture, you may not be sure what it is, and you really want to put a plan together, or we can figure it out together one-on-one. You can definitely do that by going to mentorshelly.com/services/career strategy, where you and I will go through together what it is that you really want to do, and let's put an actual action plan in place to get that done. All right, guys, take care. I just wanted to share that with you, because you have to keep in mind that a lot of our triumphs and a lot of the greatest lessons we learn had to come through difficult circumstances. So understand, you're not just going through that because, you know, life decided to pick on you, but you are going through that and to not only help yourself down the line, but also to help others. You know, because a lot of people go through things and you're like, oh, well, you know, I went through that and here's how I worked it out. Because you're not going through that just for you. You're actually going through that to help other people. All right, guys, take care. This is Mentor Shelly, wanting to make sure that you become a better version of yourself professionally. And if you want to connect, you can definitely do so at mentorshelly.com/contact. And the links for all of what I discussed this morning is below. Take care, guys. You have a good one.